Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, Samantha Pollack. In today's video, I'm gonna show you this braided half down hairstyle. I think this hairstyle is easy and simple. If you can cornrow, this shouldn't be a problem. And otherwise you can twist instead of doing a cornrow. My hair is being freshly shampooed and conditioned. I'm gonna start with a middle part just as a guideline. So now I'm making an oval shape and this is the section for the cornrow. Now I section the hair again for the flat twists. Water is your best friend. I spritz the hair with water. I apply a leave-in conditioner, and it doesn't matter what leave-in conditioner you use, just to moisturize the hair. I apply a little bit of gel to smooth the hair, and don't apply too much. You don't want to make it difficult to twist. If you don't know how to flat twist, I will leave a card on the screen where I show you how to flat twist step by step. I apply leave-in conditioner to this section, and this is for the cornrow. I spritz the hair with water and I make sure that the hair is smooth. And my tip is to blow dry the hair, because braiding my hair in this condition is difficult. Again, don't put too much products on the hair and don't make your hair too wet. Now I just start braiding the hair, the cornrow. The hardest part. But if you blow dry your hair, it's not that hard. I was being too lazy. So I'm finally done, and now I'm gonna do a wash and go on the rest of the hair. You guys know how I do my wash and goes. I've done my wash and goes several times on YouTube. I will leave a card to my wash and go on the screen, so click if you want to see a more in-depth wash and go tutorial. So in a nutshell, what I'm doing is section the hair, I spritz the hair with water and apply leave-in conditioner. And I use the raking method. I'm not really focused on definition for this hairstyle. I apply gel on my edges and smooth with a brush. I use a small section and then twist the hair and crisscross in the back. To secure the hair, I use bobby pins, and you're gonna use a lot of bobby pins. The final step is my baby hairs, and yeah, that's it. As always, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you've learned something new. Join the family, subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram because I post a lot more on Instagram than on YouTube. Until the next time, bye!